So many people want to get healthier, but they are choosing the wrong support systems for their unique energetic signature of their body. It is absolutely true from an Eastern medicine standpoint that what looks healthy for one person is not going to look healthy for the next person. For instance, some of us actually benefit from really hard physical workouts, and for some of us, that actually causes our body to go really haywire. Some of us can easily digest spicy foods, and others of us need to avoid that. And we can change and cater our daily routine, our nutrition, our movement, even our mindset work according to what our body, our dosha type, our constitution type is going to be best supported by from a foundational level. But first, we need to know what our body's unique energetic imprint is. This is something called a dosha in Ayurvedic medicine. And if you want to dive into this, you can grab my mini course or join me for group apprenticeship, where we're going to walk through the whole cycle of the year. I'm going to teach you how to keep your body in balance, how to use this to assess your clients if you're a healer yourself, build your home apothecary from zero to fully functioning with a new herb and aromatic every month that's going to help to create better digestion, better immunity, better mindset, better social connections for you. And through this, you're going to create unique daily routines for yourself in each season of the year to keep you balanced and in your best health. Reach out if you need support with us and follow along.